Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of the Butfering Super 213ML. If you have any questions about availability or pricing, please go to 360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. At any given time, we are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines that are not listed, so check back often. This is a highly flexible machine in that you can calibrate your material off of it, but you could also sand veneer. So it's really appeals to kind of two crowds, whether you're looking for something that can calibrate your material or for someone who really needs one machine with large capacities that can do it all. This machine does have a 53-inch width capacity. That is a brand new calibrating conveyor on this machine. It'll open up to just under 6 inches. I think if you reset the limit switches, you could probably get it to 6 inches because it's going to stop at about 5.9 inches. It's really nice as you can switch from metric to standard pretty rapidly. That's actually a nice feature. And again, we can just rise. There's no issues with the rise or fall. Another nice feature of this machine is you have this little button here that's going to allow you just to drop down. Normally what would happen on a joystick control machine is your guy, after he runs some material, he's going to come in here and hit this joystick and trying to get it to jump. What you can do is you can hit this button and it's going to, no matter how much you hit it, it's going to just decrease it a very small amount for your sanding width. So it's really, really nice to be able to lower it like that. We're going to go inside real fast. Obviously, it's a really, really clean machine inside. That first head is an Ertley head. It's a helical head. It's shear cut. It's a really tight radius, however. Most spiral cutter heads that you're going to find are going to be anywhere from 100 to 150 millimeters. For instance, a Bird is about 100. A lot of your Italian manufacturers are 150. Well, this particular head, obviously, it's German, and this is a completely German-made machine. And the Germans always have to do something a little bit differently, but it's going to have a 50 millimeter radius. What that's going to equate to is that you're going to have less resistance per cut. So per any degree, you have less knives down, less resistance. The theory is a cleaner cut. That second head is going to be a combination. Obviously, you've got a groove spiral drum. You've got a pad between it. It does have the grit compensation on here. So basically, you can come in and compensate for your grit. It also does have an air bladder platen, and that air bladder platen also features a timer that's going to allow you to do veneer as well. So when you come in here, we're going to turn on that planer real fast. It does feature soft start. Now we did retool that head with brand new solid carbide cutter heads. So it is fully retooled. Another thing I want to show you is this button right here. This is multiple speeds. So on that second combination head, you also do have multiple speeds. We're going to put this machine in low, so it's first. And as you can see, there's a couple different modes. This button is going to be for your platen down. This button is going to be for your drum down. This one is going to manually lower the platen. This one is going to be for 0, so your platens, that air bladder platen is going to be up. And this is auto. The auto is going to introduce your timing system for when you're doing veneer. So we're going to set it at 0. It doesn't really matter. I mean, you can hear it click on. It does function. There's no leaks on that. So we're going to turn on real fast in this mode. Let you see how the machine tracks. Really smooth running machine. Again, this video is part 1 of 2. If you want to see this machine stripped down, please tune into part 2. And we are going to change the speed to a higher speed. We're going to turn that conveyor on. We're going to set it to a higher speed. You also have a built-in brush, dust brush. That first head is 40 horsepower. The second head is 28 horsepower. This is a fully German-made example of a Butfering. Really flexible. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.